Oh yes, oh yes, yes. Welcome, guys. Welcome to another new episode.
Welcome.
Yes, welcome, guys. Today's episode, it's all about how to make hip hop drum.
Of course.
Or let me just say, how to make a trap drum. Right? Okay. Right. Perfect.
Perfect.
Oh, guys, this is nice, man. This is our fifth episode.
Excellent.
Thank you to everyone who've already subscribed on my channel. Thank you to each and everyone who's giving me those couple of views.
Of course.
I appreciate you big time, you know. Alright, before anything else, let's just jump through to it one time. Let's go. Yes. Okay. The thing, guys, here with hip hop, it's all about, you need to know the tempo as well. Which tempo are you willing to play around
Of
with?
course.
Already I've selected 126.
Majorly, Mr. DJ.
Okay, let's just try to create this thing first. Secondly, the other thing you need to have, it's your rim snare.
Perfect.
Right? Okay,
Of course.
you need to have your rim snare. Oh, I did have one already. Okay, perfect.
Simple.
So yeah, okay, let's just go, guys.
Of course.
Okay. Okay. That means, guys, we're going 4 bars, right?
Of course.
Okay, perfect.
Perfect.
Alright. Then we have our snare, right? Okay. The other thing you need to do, I normally handle 808 as well. So I'm gonna have that feel of hip hop, right? Or trap.
Of course.
Smoky spin. Sounds nice. Yeah, these ones. 808 kicks. They must sound like a kick at the same time. They must sound like an 808. I think you get me. Yeah, they must have that feel of kick at the same time. It's an 808.
Simple.
Yes. So when it's giving a bounce, it must give you that bounce of a little bit of kick mixed with 808.
Of course.
Let's go. Okay, let me use my metronome. Okay, I like this one. Which key is this one? It's A, right?
Perfect.
Okay. Simple.
Simple.
Okay, let's just lace this 808. Okay. Nope. I think it's here. Should be here as well. I think it's here and here. Exactly.
Never miss.
Alright.
Of course.
Now we're having 2 of the sounds we already picked. It's our snare and the 808, right? Let's separate these things.
Perfect.
Okay. Just a reminder, guys, make sure you subscribe there. You put that like button as well. Yes.
Of course.
It's all about drums today, guys. Nonetheless, I'm just creating drums so you're gonna have, or maybe see how to make a trap pattern or maybe hip hop pattern, right?
Perfect.
Okay, perfect. Right. Let me give it to 127. Yes. Okay. The third thing that you need exactly here is the hi-hats. Okay, our hi-hats they need to be picky, not just straightforward throughout. You need to be very picky. You understand? Okay, let's try to do it. Okay, let me use this one. That means if we say you must know the pattern through. It must bang on your mind before you lace it.
Simple.
Okay, I think this one must come here. Okay. Perfect. Okay, cool. Perfect. Okay, so in order for us to have a nice one, we mustn't use this only couple of bars, like 4 bars. We probably need to make it maybe 8, right?
Of course.
So it's gonna give us that jiggy moment, right?
Dangerous.
It's coming straight. Let's go. Okay, let's just duplicate this. We're gonna play with them on this side, right?
Of course.
Okay, let me just do it here. Let me just remove here. Let me just remove here. Let me just take this one here. Just pay it in mind whenever you do FL Studio. Take it as in like you're playing. Okay, it's a little bit too much. Let me just chop it up. Yes, of course. Oh, flip. Now flip. Okay.
Perfect. Mr. DJ.
Okay, wait. Let me just do it here. Nope. Okay. Okay.
Perfect.
Let's remove our metronome now. Okay. We almost there, guys. We're almost there. Almost. Okay. Let's start it afresh. Perfect. Nice.
Dangerous.
Right. Fourthly, what we need is the open head. The open head is gonna fill those empty spaces where the hi-hats didn't play that part. So the open head is gonna play that part. So we need to get the proper one.
Of course.
Okay, let's have this one. Okay, let's go to pattern 4 and lace this one. Okay. Okay, right, let's place it here on the red bar, third one. Oh, that's snare, even though I didn't want to use it.
Dangerous.
Yes, you need to bang here on the first one. Yes, that's the thing you're only doing, guys. Simple. Don't stress about doing song, guys. Don't stress about doing a beat. Doing a beat is the simplest thing ever, bro.
Of course.
Just lacing those patterns or maybe those sounds throughout in the songs. Come.
Perfect.
Yes.
Simple.
Of course.
Mr. DJ.
Yes. Let me boost it up a bit. Yes. Okay. You see, you can even take this one just for a play, anywhere, anyhow.
Yes, exactly.
Then just do. Because you didn't tell yourself here you coming to make a hit. You coming here to make a beat.
Excellent.
Girls. Alright.
Perfect.
Oh. Okay, now we have the structure.
Of course.
Now you can even put the melody that you think of what we can make it a smash, right?
Yes, exactly.
So it's up to you now. What do you have now? You playing with your drum pattern now. You know that I'm already having a pattern now, I must think of the melody.
Of course.
Alright, let's continue to add maybe some small 808 as well. Alright. Okay. Okay. You can use this one to lace it here. Simple. Okay, then we're gonna just do simple, guys. Simple.
Of course.
You see, now you're having your structure correctly. Now you can do any melody at any time that you're willing to do, or you're willing, or you're wishing, whatever that's gonna take or that's gonna come in your mind. Now you have the proper drums to do what? A trap music now, right? You can do any editing after you're having any melodies. Hope you guys, this episode did give you any clue or maybe any ideas on how to make a trap beat, right? Yes,
Perfect.
of course. Thank you, Mr. Cymphonic. Thank you, Mr. DJ. Thank you guys for tuning in, and thank you for watching. Let me know in the comment section what I must do next. Thank you for watching.